Hi, this is Michael Simmons,
And Michael Lowe.
reporting on the 2011 Marine Corps Air Station Miramar Air Show. The theme of this year's spectacular show is the centennial of naval aviation, which was born here in San Diego 100 years ago. Some of the acts featured in this year's show were John D. Tucker in his Oracle Challenger defying death and gravity, mock dogfights from vintage World War II naval aircraft, and the Marine Air Ground Task Force, or MAGTF, featuring the FA-18 Hornet Strike Fighter and the AV-8B Harrier jump jet, performing mock bomb runs in preparation for ground forces. Other aircraft include the KC-130J, refueling CH-53E Super Stallion helicopters, as well as Hornets and Harriers. UH-1 Yankee Huey aircraft inserting Marines via fast rope, and AH-1 Whiskey and Zulu Cobras providing cover for the MV-22 Osprey tilt rotor aircraft.
After the show, we met up with Marine Corps helicopter pilot Captain Aaron Crudwig and asked him a few questions about the show and his job. So, Captain Crudwig, what inspired you to become a Marine Corps helicopter pilot?
Yeah, I guess every young child, at some point in time probably is into building things and models and things of that sort. And so it was pretty common, I guess, on Christmas Day that one of the Christmas gifts was going to be a model airplane or helicopter or that kind of thing. So, building model airplanes was key part of that, I guess. And outside of that part, I mean, I've been to air shows before when I was a kid. So there was always an interest in the aviation, but it wasn't necessarily something that I was specifically looking to pursue as a career until I kind of started the Marine Corps and got to see what the Marine Corps was all about.
So, during your time as a pilot, have you ever been deployed to a foreign country?
Yes. I've been with this squadron for almost 4 years. My first deployment was to Iraq in support of Operation Iraqi Freedom. We flew there for about 6 months before coming back. I was here for 10 months before then going to Afghanistan in support of Operation Enduring Freedom. We came back I guess at the end of 2010, and then have been back for approximately 14 months or so. And then I'll be back to Afghanistan coming up early next year. So 2 combat deployments to the desert. Very hot, but for us, we're an assault support platform, which basically means we're transporting troops and cargo around the area of operation, and that's one of the things that I do and I enjoy.
Okay, thank you. So, out of all of the performances at the Miramar Air Show, which one would you say is your favorite to watch, and what makes it special to you?
Probably, the Marine Air Ground Task Force. I think is pretty significant. I think they do a really good job of incorporating the new types of airframes that have been coming through. So this year you saw the UH-1 Yankee, which is the newer Huey. That's the one that did the spy rig, which is basically the Marines that are on the rope as they fly out of the zone. Special patrol insertion, extraction, and spy. And then also we saw the Zulu Cobra, this one, which is the new 4-bladed Cobra that brings a lot to the table. And then this year V22 is new to Miramar, so it was incorporated as well, and that's the new Osprey tilt rotor. So you're always seeing different types of things, and how the Marine Corps is improving and providing a better service as far as to the Department of Defense.
This year, once again, the U.S. Air Force sent their Viper West demo team with the F-16 fighting Falcon. This year, spectators saw the U.S. Navy's thrilling Super Hornet tactical demonstration, featuring the FA-18 Echo model. And closing out the air show before the Blue Angels demonstration was the Marine Corps' own AV-8B Harrier jump jet.
With the end of the Harrier demonstration comes the part of the show that everyone has been anticipating. The United States Navy's Flight Demonstration Squadron, the Blue Angels, along with U.S. Marine Corps C-130T support aircraft, Fat Albert. Thank you for watching. This is Michael Simmons,
And Michael Lowe.
signing off for the Falcon 5 News.